SmallRig has a new production cart. Let's check it out.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD and I'm here with Manny from SmallRig. Manny, how are you?
Dude, I am good. I'm a little excited. This place is actually very overwhelming because this is, well, for one, we're on the Universal Studio lot, but there's so many people here and there's just so many things going on. It's like you want to stop and look, but it's just a lot. It's a lot.
I have to say, Manny is one of the persons I really love talking to because we always see things eye to eye. Huh?
Absolutely, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But this time, you actually, you all the time have new things at SmallRig.
Yes.
But what is the main item that we're going to talk to about today?
So we have a lot of items that we're releasing today, but the one thing that I kind of wanted to showcase was our new production cart. It's a product that has been, how should I say, it's one of those products that we've been working on for like over 3 years, because I don't know if you remember, last time at NAB I was talking about the SmallRig program that we have and the product community group that we have on Facebook. This is one of those products that is, it's a great example of what happens when we listen to our customers and we collaborate with not just influencers or YouTubers, but with the people that want a specific product, and that is our production cart.
So how is the workflow? I have a good idea. I simply fill up a form or connect with the company. How does it work?
So if you go onto our website, on the main page, there is a section at the bottom that says SmallRig, so that you can work with us, collaborate with us, and we go through the process. We get we see if your idea is something that we can produce that is feasible and also marketable. One thing is, like, for example, I myself have actually ordered a custom Komodo cage. Cool. However, if it's something that could be marketable and sold, then we go through a different process as well.
Manny, a question. If I have a good idea, am I going to become rich out of this, or SmallRig?
Actually, so
how can we make it a win-win situation?
Whenever you actually collaborate with us and we make a product with you, you do actually make a commission off of every unit that gets sold. So we don't just get your idea and sell it. We actually work a business aspect of it with you, where your product that we end up developing and selling through our platforms, you do also make you do make your own money off of that as well.
Interesting. Note this down, guys, because that might be profitable for you if you have a good idea.
Oh, absolutely. Yes, sir.
Okay, but let's talk about the cart.
Yes, sir. So the production cart is a 36-inch foundation. You have large production carts. Some are DIT carts. Some are director carts or audio carts. We wanted to stick to an all-around 36-inch base. It is a two-tier system. However, our cart is 100% toolless. It does collapse, and it will fit in the back of a Jeep Wrangler or a RAV4 or even a Corolla. Yes, sir.
So, just to get it right, if you buy the cart, you get the car for free?
Oh, I don't know about a car.
Okay, I'm joking. But tool-free, that's what really caught my attention. Absolutely. Really, no tools whatsoever?
No, sir, none whatsoever. So everything that is needed to assemble the wheels, for example, the wheels are based off of a dovetail system. So even though you store them inside the cart when you travel, when you assemble it, they attach to the bottom of the framing via dovetail attachments. The handlebars use a V-mount-like mounting solution, and they snap in. When you need to remove them, you just press a button, you remove them. And so one of the feedbacks that we did get a lot was, can we make it with 10-inch pneumatic wheels? And unfortunately, that's one of those moments where we wish we can give you everything, but unfortunately, to keep it small, compact, and portable, we went with an 8-inch system. However, we redesigned the location of the wheels from our previous units that we had at NAB and at CineD last year, so that 8 inches would still work for you. They are still pneumatic wheels, so they do have a shock absorption characteristics to them, and you could take them on multiple terrains.
There are numerous solutions in the market for such a thing.
Absolutely.
What would be the main selling point for you?
So, for one, our cart has actually been designed to be 30% lighter than the competing carts on the market at this price point. We are also at a comfortable medium range at 36 inches, so you can get into tighter to reach spaces. And also the other thing is, Johnny, we're doing this a little different this time with this product. We're doing sort of a crowdfunding campaign situation. The first 50 individuals to get this product are going to get it at an early bird special pricing, because I know you're going to ask for pricing availability. You're going to be getting it at roughly around $18.99. And then regular production prices are going to be at, I believe it is, I want to say it was $21 or $22.99, just a little bit of, just under $2,300 for sure. But the first 10 people that purchase it, We're going to give them VB50s and some other accessories. And then the other groups from there, you're going to get some merch. So yeah, so the first 50 individuals that get it are going to get it at an early bird pricing discount with some goodies. And then from there, as far as availability, you're also looking at sometime by the end of Q3, so September, October.
Okay, great. So I guess at IBC we're going to meet again. And then you're going to tell me, hey, it's ready.
Absolutely,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Manny, anything that I forgot to ask, anything which is important for you to communicate with our audience?
Honestly, so like I said, this was a collaborative project that we did with Ian Roche, who designed this product. He's a filmmaker, but if you are a filmmaker and you have an idea or a product that you want to bring, to life, look up SmallRig on our main website, and also the SmallRig production community group on Facebook. I do post a lot on there, and also follow us on Instagram, smallrig.global and smallrig.us. That's how you're able to get your dream to become a reality through someone like SmallRig.
Great. All the marketing stuff in 3 minutes. Manny, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Always nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, Johnny.
Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Keep it real.